Have you ever wondered about the future of India's infrastructure and the potential of foreign investment to reshape it? India, as the world's fifth largest economy, is at a pivotal moment. The nation's infrastructure is growing rapidly, and it's a race to keep up with demand. The country needs nearly $2 trillion in infrastructure investment by 2030, a sum that far exceeds the capacity of domestic funding. Enter the proposed UK-India infrastructure financing bridge, a potential game-changer. This agreement, set to be signed in early February, is aimed at encouraging the flow of London-based patient capital funds into India's burgeoning infrastructure sector. Renewable energy, large national highway projects and railway projects are among the sectors identified for funding. With a target of $5 to $10 billion inflows in the initial phase, this agreement could mark a significant shift in India's infrastructure financing. Let's delve deeper into the UK-India infrastructure financing bridge and its potential impact. This initiative is not just about numbers and agreements. It's about shaping the future of India's infrastructure and fueling sustainable growth in the world's fifth largest economy. The major infrastructure sectors identified by the government for receiving funding under this bridge are truly transformative. They include renewable energy projects, large national highway projects, and railway projects. These sectors are pivotal to India's growth, and the bridge aims to boost them with an inflow of $5 to $10 billion in the initial phase. But to truly appreciate the scale of this initiative, let's look at the bigger picture. By 2030, India is estimated to require a staggering $2 trillion for infrastructure development. With government funding alone not being sustainable in the long run, the bridge presents an alternative, more robust solution. In a significant move, an initial pact was signed between the City of London Corporation and the Niti Aayog last year. The goal? To tap into the trillions of dollars managed by asset managers in the City of London. This pact is not just a handshake across continents, it's a commitment to channelize funds into Indian projects, bridging the gap between necessity and capital. Now let's talk about the mechanism of the bridge itself. It's designed to clarify and address emerging issues related to investments, ensuring their faster resolution. This means not only attracting investments, but also safeguarding them by ensuring that projects are investable and bankable. It's about satisfying investors about the security of their investments, making the bridge a win-win for both India and the UK. In a world where resources are not short, with almost $350 trillion available for investments, the bridge aims to harness a portion of this wealth for India's development. The UK-India infrastructure financing bridge presents a promising opportunity to accelerate the development of India's infrastructure. It's not just a bridge of funds, but a bridge to a brighter, stronger future for India. What could the impact of this agreement be on India's infrastructure development? Let's delve into that. The UK-India infrastructure financing bridge could be the golden ticket India's infrastructure sector has been waiting for. Given the limited success of previous initiatives like the National Investment and Infrastructure Fund Limited, this agreement could bring a much-needed breath of fresh air. Imagine billions of dollars flowing into India's infrastructure, reshaping the landscape of the nation and boosting economic growth. This agreement could potentially turn the tide, shifting the capital formation dynamics from being predominantly government-led to a more balanced public-private partnership model. Renewable energy, national highway projects, railway projects, these sectors could see a surge of investment, leading to accelerated development and job creation. And, of course, this would also mean a higher standard of living for the Indian population. With the UK-India infrastructure financing bridge, the future of India's infrastructure looks brighter than ever.